Hi there. In this video, we're going to be going through the customer item cross-reference assignment using the XRefs item extension wizard. This video assumes a basic knowledge of logging in and creating a new sheet within the wizard, and we'll go through the specifics behind assigning customer item cross-references. So once you have logged into the wizard and created a new sheet with the customer item cross-reference mode, the first thing we're going to do is open up the user form on the first row that you want to populate. In this form, you'll see we have a number of required fields: our customer number, our level, our customer item, and the commodity code. So let's start by putting in a customer number or a customer name. As you'll see, for both of these, we can search for any value that we want, or enter in some keywords and start searching for them. Next, we'll enter in our level. We can assign a cross-reference at an address level, or we can assign it at a customer level. Next, we'll be selecting the customer item, which we'll be assigning the cross-reference to. Again, we can search for this item. We can select a model if necessary, if there are more than one model. Our commodity code is defaulted based on the item, but can be changed if necessary. If we wish to assign container items, both at a master and detail level, that can be done here, and likewise a minimum fill level. We have our departure plans as a yes/no in the boxes here, our demand tolerances, our numeric values that we can enter here. If we're creating one, we obviously want to keep it as active, and if necessary, we can assign an address here. The next thing we want to do is assign the cross-reference to this particular item, so we'll navigate to the Custom Item Cross-Reference tab. And here we can add the cross-reference details for this item. The first thing we'll do is look at our cross-reference inventory item, which is the item in our environment that we're going to be assigning as the cross-reference to the customer item. Here we choose the cross-reference that we've used in the previous tab. We can rank it if we have multiple cross-references, and we can state if it is active or not. We can create additional cross-references to other items in our environment using this button here, which is new. And likewise, we can add any descriptive flex fields against this cross-reference that we'd like here. Once you're happy with all the details of this cross-reference, you can click OK, and that will write the information to the worksheet ready to be uploaded. Once you've added all of the cross-references that you wish to do, click on the header row of those you wish to update. It may be a range if you wish to update more than one. Ensure your validate option is validate commit, then click upload and upload selected. If you wish to upload everything on the sheet, you may click upload all, but otherwise stick with upload selected. It's important that your upload option matches that of the worksheet template, as any differences will result in an error. Once that has completed, we might find that there may be a couple of issues, although in this case it doesn't seem to be anything that's going to stop the cross-reference from being uploaded. We can click close, and we can double check that this has been uploaded by choosing some key fields such as the customer number and the customer item, and downloading them to the sheet. Just as a reference, this error occurred because I did not have a customer name. However, in this case it doesn't matter, because as you'll see, it has been automatically defaulted on upload by the wizard. But otherwise you will see that this now has been created with exactly the details that I entered in before. But otherwise, that is how you create a customer item cross-reference in the XRefs item extension wizard. For more information on the item extension wizard or the customer item cross-reference functionality, please feel free to visit one of the links on screen. Thanks for listening.